Want to know how to buy bitcoins in MoonPay? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, buying bitcoins or any other crypto coins in MoonPay is super simple. So just simply open up your application and make sure you are logged in. And once you've done that, here right below, right above your navigation, you should be seeing buy and deposit, these two options. So on the left side, just simply select buy right here. And now here you should be seeing popular tokens. You can also source for tokens if your Bitcoin is not showing. So you can just simply select it, and you can also see its coin value right here. What you can do is you can just simply select a certain amount of Bitcoin that you want to buy and then select continue right here. And once that is done, make sure you have your payment method added. If you haven't, you should be proceeded to it automatically. And that's it, super simple and easy. This is how you buy Bitcoins in MoonPay. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.